And there's my quick little breakfast. It's just some eggs and coffee. So now that I've got done tidying some things, I'm going to make up a drink for today. I've got a bunch of these little flavor packets that I've not used up. So we're going to go ahead and try to use some of them today. There's all different kinds. There's like orange and cherry limeade and watermelon, strawberry, Jolly Rancher, cherry. But I've got this Crystal Light peach iced tea that I really, really like. So I'm going to fill up this little container with some like pretty cool water, mix these up and pour them in it so I can just come and revisit this little jug and fill up my cup throughout the day. So another little drink idea, if you like Olive Garden and you like teas, they sell their peach Bellini flavoring that they put in their tea there. I think they put it in green tea maybe at Olive Garden. I'm not 100% sure, so don't like quote me on that, or if you know, let me know. But I've put this in any kind of tea. I've put it in peach tea and I really like it, so it's super good. So we're going to go ahead. I'm knocking off stuff. And I don't think 3 bottles of water are going to fit in here, but I'm going to go ahead and put the 3 Crystal Light packets. Then if it's too strong, I can always add a little water to it when I pour it in my glass. And I can't find my lid. Oh. I'm kind of thinking only 1 is enough. Or not 1, but 2 bottles are going to fit in this. So I've got 3 packets in here and 2 bottles of water, which is fine. I'm just going to put the lid on this and pop it in the fridge. So that's it for my calm, relaxing morning routine. I hope this inspired you guys to take a morning to yourself when you have the time and do a couple things that you typically don't get to do. If I was going out to town, I would get a little bit more put together than I am right now, but I'm staying home, so I'm going to stay in comfy clothes and try to get some more stuff done. I want to thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some inspiration, and I'll see you guys in the next one.